This video I will tell you how you can make a portfolio website for you using only HTML and CSS. This is a website that I make and I will tell you how you can make this kind of website. But if you are a coder then you should watch this video, but if you are not a coder then you should go there on my YouTube channel and watch these two videos and build. While watching this video you can use your picture and your name instead of mine, but if you are a coder I will give you a general guide and then you can follow it on and make your own website. It is not hard, it is very easy to make a website like this. So let's look at the cool features of this website which I like about this website. The first one is this, the home page. When you go hover over it, it will change its color and also it will zoom in. And the second thing is this, the content creator and the web developer. It will be like an animation. You can see this. Whenever I will refresh this, this will be in like my internet is a bit slow. You can adjust with that, but now look at that. It will be look at that. The other page of this website looks like this. On the bottom, you have the same things. And now I will explain you how you can make a website like this. This is a very simple website. So first you will make a nav and then you add a div, two div in it. The first one you can write this one your name, and in the second one you can make a list of this item or other that you want to add in this website, and then you can use the css to like use the flex property of css and like display text uh, item align in line, and then you can display the space, justify content space between, and a few other properties. If you are a coder you should know this, but I will suggest you to. And for this property you can use a hover, and then on the hover you can increase the size of display. And for the color of the navbar I will suggest you can use any color, but you should use a color a little darker or a little more brighter than the your background color. But if you will use like more brighter color then it would not look good. So for this animation you can use a JavaScript library which is type.js. You can type.js on Google and it then click on the GitHub link, it will take you there, and then you can scroll down and then you can copy this one. And basically this has all the guide where you will paste this link, like you can read it and add it where you want. So in order to make this and this you can make another div. In the first div you can add your a little introduction, then you can add your picture, and using those same property like display and the display flex and the other few properties you can make this as well. And then here you can write a name and bit about your past experience. I haven't write anything. And on the bottom you can again use your uh, networks, use your social media platform. If you click on this like projects and contact me, you can make another page about this. But I'm not going to host this website and not buying any kind of domain, so I didn't use any kind of JavaScript. Here you can find my YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, but I didn't design this page as well because I'm not using this website at all. Uh, Here you can, if you click there you will reach to my YouTube channel. But if you want to make this website, like you can use my this watch and code series, which is these two videos, 30-minute videos and 4-hour video. If you are a programmer it will not take you more than 30 minutes to make a website like this, but if you are a non-tech then it would take